The difference between a so-called statutory rape and a child molestation is this. A statutory rape, you can be convicted of a statutory rape and you have no earthly idea that the person that you have had intercourse with is under the age of consent. Okay? In other words, a person, you could be at a bar, someone shows you an ID that says they're 25 years old, you check it, you take it to a cop, he says, look, that person's 25. You go home and have intercourse with that person, because statutory rape actually requires actual intercourse. That would mean the slightest penetration at all, doesn't require a completed act of intercourse. And you would be guilty of a statutory rape if that person is under the age of consent. Okay, that's a big difference. Child molestation, different from statutory rape, child molestation does not require intercourse. It can be any act whatsoever that you've committed to or in the presence of someone who's under the age of 16. Okay, doesn't have to be intercourse. Statutory rape has to be intercourse. Okay, child molestation does require that you know it's a child. Okay, you'd have to know the person's under 16. Statutory rape doesn't. But child molestation, unlike statutory rape, doesn't require intercourse. It can be any act whatsoever to or in the presence of someone under the age of 16 that is designed to feed the sexual desires of you or the child that's under 16. Okay, so they are different laws. Statutory rape is called statutory rape just because it's not really forcible rape. It doesn't have to be against the person's will. It doesn't have to be forcible. It can be totally consensual. And again, you may not even know the person's under 16. Those are the two massive differences between those laws.